A movie is the perfect opportunity to tell the story that you've always wanted to tell. To take the perfect backdrop, write the perfect script, cast the perfect actor.
Jake, please, don't leave.
And somehow,
Jake!
Oh, hey, sorry. Were you talking to me? I'm right here.
Cut!
My bad.
it can all fall apart.
Jake, it's okay. Yet again,
Right?
when the actors are talking, they are not talking to you. Never you.
Okay. All right.
Only them. Okay?
Sorry.
Sorry,
Yep.
is that because they're talking to me?
No,
Because my
no,
name
no,
is
no.
Jake.
No.
As well.
Not you, Jake.
Hi, my name is Jake,
And I am also Jake.
and we are finally working on a movie set.
I know. Last year, we created a documentary that talked about how we do Foley work.
How we create sound for movies that can't be typically captured on set.
And the documentary went viral. It had over 2 million views.
Can I read you some of the comments?
People loved it.
Are these guys for real?
Well, last time I checked.
These guys make trash that sounds like trash.
It's literally our job.
That's honestly one of the best compliments I think I've ever gotten.
They did a documentary?
I don't know.
It's interesting. I was not aware of that. That's interesting. You know, I actually hired them because they were available last second. And I think it was super cheap. Actually, they were surprisingly cheap. To be brutally honest, I heard they worked with Spielberg.
That was amazing. Being able to do a commercial with Spielberg was pretty
He's a
incredible.
great guy. Great guy. Al Spielberg with Spielberg, Jones, and Sokolov. Yeah, attorneys at law. You'll know him in the Tri-City area.
Yeah. We'll make the doctor bills come off with Spielberg, Jones, and Sokolov.
I wrote that, actually. I wrote that. They didn't use it, but
Solid jingle, though.
They certainly have some unconventional methods.
no, it's early. Go get it. No, go again. Go. Again, go. Yeah.
I've never actually seen people do Foley sound work during the actual recording.
I've always figured if you can't work smarter, you might as well work harder, right?
Exactly.
It's fine. It's fine. They're fine. They're fine. We're good. It's all good. Guys! I don't know how Spielberg did it. I don't know.
I can't let you leave. I won't.
Sorry, I think I was early on that one. I'm sorry. Do you guys want to do another one? Just reset. Jake, back to one. Jake, back to one.
Gonna go gunless this time?
Yeah, they're fired.
People get released from movie sets all the time. You know, it's creative differences, really. You know, so.
Yeah, more power to them.
Yep. And we've heard it so often at this point. It's like water off a hot tin roof. You know.
Roof.
A roof off a hot tin roof. So, fortunately, we just received a call from a Mr. Tarantino.
We're pretty excited.
Right. So, oh, hey. The best bet you can make at casinos is to eat a pizza at Tarantino's.
And wings.
And wings. Still got it.
Still got it.